Hey guys, what's happening? So we're in the new office, which I couldn't be more excited about. We actually just finished up with our interior designer, going over all the changes, all the furniture, all the finishes we're gonna make. And honest to God, guys, we're shooting for, probably early April, mid-April. And I'm telling you right now, the stuff that we're adding in this new space is gonna be revolutionary. We're trying to do something totally different, fun, kind of build that culture that we've been doing, but now we've got the space. We're gonna have the room, the technology that no one else will have. I promise you, these things, these advantages and technology that we're adding for our agents are only gonna help and provide for our clients in such a different way. So where we're standing right now is actually the agent room, so we'll have a lot of mixed use space. Cool thing in the back left corner, we're gonna have a phone booth. I'm sure you've seen them in other offices, but a little soundproof if they need to take calls. We'll have our podcast studio right over here in the front right. Fun flex space in the back for agents to sit, have a little arcade game if they need to take a break throughout the day. In the back, which for me is gonna be awesome, because right now we're doing video. We're the #1 guys in town that do the video, do more than anyone else. We'll have our own in-house production studio. So all of our agents can create that content that's so vital in our industry right now. So they'll have their own in-house studio. Offices on that side, my office in the way back. Let's see here, going through the backyard, parking on the other side, but in the backyard, I'm a golfer in heart. Well, I try to be a golfer. I'm not a great golfer, but I love golfing. We're gonna have a putting green in the back, just a fun, once again, if you need to take a call for agents need to get out and get a fresh air, they can go out back, do a little putting on the green. It will be a ton of fun. But few months, guys, stay following us because it's coming soon. We're super pumped. It's a long time coming. But enjoy it. I know it doesn't look like much, but I promise you, this is the space that will revolutionize the real estate industry for the Southeast, the technology and everything we've got coming. So stay tuned. You're gonna love it.